the police for the last 27 years in Karai police station, whatever is the application I'm giving is going to the dustbin. If I find about seven orders of judicial orders being not obeyed by the OC, actually my wife and me are not being allowed to enter my own house in case orders is being stopped. My guests who are coming also for my social and spiritual function, they also being stopped.
31. One plot I appear for this state.
Oyaki Nana appears for the petitioner, Mr. Banerjee, learned advocate 8 appears.
131.
Yes.
বলুন নান অ্যাপিয়ার বলছেন
ও
বাবা
ভাই কি হলো এটা কি হয়েছে
Lordship, in your last order,
কি রিপোর্ট আছে তোমার
Yes.
you had asked me to
আমি লিখছি তুমি
serve the notice on
কে কে আছে
Respondent number 9. Yes, yes.
and the affidavit of service is before here.
You are for the respondent number 9.
কি বলছেন
I am for the Kolkata Municipal Corporation.
রেসপন্ড নাম্বার 9
Respondent number
No, that's a private individual.
This is the report plot I have brought pursuant to Lordship's direction.
What is the prayer? কি হলো prayer কিছু response to take proper. Are it in a manner commanding the respondents to take proper action? Please enter in the premises where
The press report এসছে তো
the committing any act of violence. What have you decided?
দিয়ে দিয়েছে নাম দেওয়া আছে দিয়ে দিয়েছে ভাই এই স্বপন ব্যানার্জি আর সৌগত মিত্র দেওয়া আছে তো হয়েছে কি দেওয়া আছে লিখছি
Yes, what are you wanting now?
Your Lordship, my matter is in two parts. One is the respondent number 9 for the last 27 years. Whatever I say is backed by truth, and I can give you the necessary documents as soon as you want, Your Lordship. For the last 27 years, he has been mentally and physically torturing me and my wife. Now, one matter is already for bail cancellation before Justice Bakshi, and he has taken a serious note on the matter because of the misuse of liberty and also repeat of offense. Now, there are about 10 cases pending in the CGM court. One of them has gone to Justice Bakshi, in which he is seeking the bail cancellation. The session judge has also mentioned in his order on torture of my wife, serial torture. Now, this matter before the Karai police station from the year 97, the respondent number 7, from 97 onwards, he is disturbing my peaceful stay in my house. He not only my fundamental right of living peacefully, to live on my livelihood and as a senior citizen, he is violating that. Now, what has happened is that the police for the last 27 years in Karai police station, whatever is the application I'm giving is going to the dustbin. And there are about 8 court orders.
No, but they have registered at least
several cases
2009 Karai PS 25709, 294 of 14, 520 of 14, 117 of 15, 283 of 18,
last
287 of 18, 446 of 2020, 320 of 22, 12 of 2024, 26 of 2024, and 237 of 24. So all these cases have been registered against the respondent number 9 and his associates, more or less. So
cancellation was rejected.
Your Lordship, just a minute. Your Lordship, why the police? It is a very serious matter. You're the judiciary. If I, being a senior citizen and being part of the constitution of the state, if I find about seven orders of judicial orders being not obeyed by the OC, there is a nexus between what you call there is a nexus.
But then Lord kindly ask him to file affidavit. Yes, no.
Which
you
orders?
are making allegations.
Which orders? Don't know where are that in the petition.
Yeah.
If you refer to page number 42, 45, all the supporting annexure. Please.
No.
42.
Have you annexed this? Have you annexed in the petition?
I'm giving you a copy.
No,
No.
sir.
This is not the way.
Mr. 1 minute. Let me deal with you. Which orders are you referring to in the petition?
Sorry?
You say that Korea PS has violated judicial orders. That's your contention. Where are those orders over here, sir?
Lordship here.
Can you can have your file a supplementary affidavit incorporating what orders have been violated.
Yes.
The 8 orders they have violated.
So you file a supplementary affidavit incorporating all the orders which, according to you, has been violated by the Korea police station. All right.
Can I make a prayer, Your Lordship? Actually, my wife and me are not being allowed to enter my own house. In case outdoors is being stopped. My guests who are coming also for my social and spiritual functions, they also being stopped.
But the
And
two
responded
civil
nine-
cases are pending,
Your
sub
Lordship,
judice.
I want an interim order. That
No,
is
no.
an interim order to the police, pending my supplementary, that the respondent number 9 should not stop me, my wife, and my guests in my own house.
Yeah.
And it is very
Yeah.
and he's taking
Yeah.
physical action on me, my wife, and my guests also.
That Satya Dukan Kure.
But then, do you have a title suit is pending since 97 and 2009? Have you advanced such prayer before the civil court?
বলবো
The civil
বলো
court
তুমি
has
যাও
made my-
শুনে
has supported you,
শুনেছি
Your
আনতে আনতে হবে বলতে হবে।
Supported, unsupported? No. Is there any order of the civil court to the effect for egress and ingress? Where is that order?
7 businesses are running, my lord, as I am told, and 4 license, nothing.
I am told
Ask the corporation to file a report. It's not so bloody easy.
He is enjoying at least 7 licenses in his premises. Malad, it's not on record. That is why Malad, I was restraining myself. Malad,
You are respondent number 9,
Malad,
No,
Kolkata
corporation.
corporation.
And Malad,
No, if-
4 licenses are still alive.
I am not bothered about that. If there is a civil court order for
My
free egress and ingress,
My lord.
I am wanting from that police will obey only.
That's right.
Show me there is an order of
I have a civil court order not to disturb.
And we shall, my lord, your lordship kindly direct, we shall, my lord, communicate the respondent number 9 also. He has to come here.
I'm a owner.
I'm not telling anything to you, mister. I'm submitting before the court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are a owner
yes.
or tenant, I do not know.
দেখি কি
The
দিচ্ছে।
civil court says not to interfere and disturb. And the respondent number 9 is disturbing me, Your Lordship.
This case is still pending.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Look for partitioning.
I am the owner in my title deed also. Your Lordship, the civil court clearly mentions not to interfere and disturb my peaceful possession. And he continues to do so from 97. He's physically and mentally torturing me and my wife for the last 27 years. And
Let him bring all those
এটা একটু দিয়ে দিন, ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। আমি তো
supplement affidavit, Lord.
Your Lordship, can I make a small prayer before you? At least my ingress, outgress of my guest and myself should not be disturbed.
you are staying where? What is your address?
Yes, that is the
My address, Lordship.
Lord,
I'm-
whatever,
I'm-
Lord,
I'm-
whatever
I'm-
order your
I'm-
lordship can
I'm-
pass on Lord on next day, let him come with the Lord, supplementary affidavit so that I can take also instructions whether ingress, egress have been. Lord, I don't have any instructions to that. Lordship, kindly pass that order. I'll not stand in the way, but let him Lord bring all those
Petitioner,
reports
চলে আসুন,
to
চলে আসুন।
supplementary affidavit.
You file. I'm directing. Petitioner submits that in spite of residing at the address being within the jurisdiction of PS Korea, Calcutta 19, his egress and ingress is being obstructed by the respondent number 9, full stop. Petitioner appearing in person further submits that there are a number of civil courts order. Full stop. Petitioner is granted liberty to file supplementary affidavit
Bringing all those reports.
enclosing all the orders. Advance copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate appearing for the state as well as the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. Full stop. State will submit a report in respect of the state as well as KMC will submit a report in respect of the orders which are enclosed in the supplementary affidavit. In the meantime, it is directed that if the petitioners egress and ingress to his own residence. If I have said,
And also my guest, Your Lordship.
if I have said, this right to life, sir, I have got. If the petitioner's egress and ingress is obstructed
Including
to
my
his
guest.
own residence,
Including my guest, Your Lordship.
It will be misinterpreted, my lord, by the my lord.
guess I cannot say, sir.
My lord.
I don't
I
have.
will pass that order on that day, my lord. Lord, I will take instructions, Lord. I'm telling you before your lordship. I'll take instructions. My lord,
But then give instructions to your officer if they have taken in.
I have already heard, Lord. I will.
If he is being obstructed,
My lord,
police will just
yes, yes, police-
assure
police
that
is very
he is
vigilant.
not obstructed. I am telling you. Right to life, that much you give.
My lord, my lord.
Police will. ঠিক আছে এটা এই পার্টটা
And
কেটে
the
দিন
report, my lord,
For-
police report be kept.
reports are submitted by the state we kept with the record KMC and Kolkata Municipal Corporation and the state we submit further reports.
Basic one indulgence, my lord. But if you lord kindly direct the Korea police station to inform the respondent number 9 also.
আচ্ছা
His presence is, my lord.
state would communicate to the officer in charge Korea police station who would in turn deputy a police personnel serving a notice on them regarding the pendency of writ petition before this court and that the writ petition would appear under the same heading in the monthly list of January 2025. But Mr. Banerjee, please see, he is not.
I will. Since I have submitted to your lordship can trust.
Huh?